Ever wondered what happens if you're slapped with a lawsuit after a car accident? Let's dive into the world of car insurance to shed some light on this. Car insurance, in its simplest form, is a contract between you and the insurance company. You pay a premium and, in exchange, the insurance company promises to pay for specific car-related financial losses during the term of the policy. But what about legal expenses? Well, that's where legal expenses coverage comes into play. It's an often overlooked but incredibly important aspect of car insurance. Legal disputes following a car accident can be a financial nightmare, with costs potentially skyrocketing into the tens of thousands of dollars. Legal expenses coverage can help protect you from these unexpected costs, providing a safety net when you need it most. Understanding legal expenses coverage can make a huge difference when you're caught in a legal bind. So, what exactly is legal expenses coverage? Well, let's dive right in. Legal expenses coverage is a part of your car insurance policy that comes to your rescue when you are involved in a legal dispute related to your vehicle. It's like having a lawyer in your corner, paid for by your insurance policy. Now you might be wondering how it works. It's pretty straightforward, really. When you find yourself in a legal pickle, whether it's a traffic violation or a more serious offense like a car accident, this coverage steps in. It covers a range of expenses, including but not limited to lawyer fees, court costs, and other legal expenses. Think of it as a safety net. When you're walking a tightrope, it's always reassuring to know there's something to catch you if you fall. That's what legal expenses coverage does. It catches you when you stumble in the legal world. But when does this coverage come into play? Legal expenses coverage isn't just for when you're at fault. If you're the victim in an accident and decide to sue the other driver, your legal expenses coverage can cover your legal costs. It's also useful if you're taken to court over an accident that wasn't your fault. So in essence, legal expenses coverage is there to support you no matter the circumstances. It's a financial shield that can protect you during unexpected legal battles. Legal expenses coverage can be your financial shield in the face of unexpected legal battles. Now let's summarize the key points about legal expenses coverage. Legal expenses coverage is a vital part of your car insurance. It's like a safety net, ready to catch you if ever you find yourself tangled in the complex and often expensive world of legal disputes. Having this coverage included in your car insurance can make a world of difference. Now, what does this coverage exactly entail? Well, it generally covers the cost of legal advice, representation, and court fees if you're involved in a legal dispute following a car accident. This could be anything from a disagreement over who was at fault, to more serious incidents that may lead to criminal charges. Remember, legal costs can quickly add up, and without this coverage you might find yourself in a financial bind. It's not just about the money though, it's about the peace of mind. Knowing that you're covered, that you won't have to navigate the legal system alone, can be a huge relief. So, it's not a question of if you should have legal expenses coverage, but rather, how much you should have. This is a decision that should be made with a clear understanding of your personal circumstances and risk tolerance. Knowing these points about legal expenses coverage can help you make informed decisions about your car insurance.